Yo guys, it's Rigald here, back with another video. So in this video I will teach you guys how to make this cool, shiny, sharp looking text effect. And yeah, by the way guys, this is my first Photoshop tutorial that I'm using my voice, so it's cringe and you can't understand what I'm saying. So yeah, without waiting, let's just get into the tutorial. So first things you have to make is make a new canvas or new canvas. Make sure you change the present to call custom the width, and then change the width to 1280, the height to 720. Both of them are pixels. The resolution are 28.346 and it's pixel centimeters. Change the background context to transparent. And then other things are needed to change, and then just click OK. So for this one, I recommend you to use the black background. Why? Because it just really merge with the text. So I have the foreground color of black, so I just need to alt delete and the background being black. And now let's get to edit the text. So for the font I use in this text effect is Ace Records. It's really cool fonts. I will make the download link in the description so you can download the font so you can make this text effect, and then change the white so you can see what's the good size for the text. So I'm choosing 400 PD for the text size, and then I write down Rigald, my name. Okay, it's a nice looking text, and then click your gradient and change your gradient into black and dark gray. So basically you just need to change it to black and white, or use the default gradient which is black and white. Leave the black and change the white side into gray. It's like in the 5B, and 5B. It's easy to remember. And then click OK and click OK again. And you get the gradient already. And now make the copy of the text layer and then make the original layer invincible. Right click in the layer text and then rasterize the layer. Why we should rasterize it? Because if we rasterize it, the text can be edited more flexible. And now press Ctrl and click in the icon transparent background in the text layer. You got selected text, and now click on your gradient icon and then just pull the gradient and just make it whatever you want. For this text, I recommend you to make a black side in the upper of the left side, and the most dominating color is gray. So we get it like this. It's not really good at first, but yeah, I promise it will be good in the later. So now let's just get into the blending mode and things. So right click in your layer text, text layer or whatever is that, and then click on blending option. You see there is so many like styles in this dialog box. So first you need to check the bevel and emboss. Click on the bevel and emboss and go setting it. First, style. Change the style into outer fill. Keep the technique to smooth and change the grip to 103. Change the size into 4 and soften to 1. And then for the shading, we will change the gloss contour to this, like chasm, a cliff. There's a cliff and a cliff, and then the between of that is the chasm, and it's just like this contour. The name is con inverted. We choose that, and then for the highlight mode, we change the blending mode into lighten and change the color into FF8787. You get a bright red, okay. change the opacity to 90, and you are done with the highlight mode. Now, shadow mode. You keep the shadow mode in multiply blend mode, but you change the color. Change the color to 3C01001. You get a dark red. Just click OK and keep the opacity at 75. Sorry for the cow. I'm sick right now. I feel so uncomfortable. And now we are done with the bevel and emboss. Now change it to stroke. In the stroke, change the size into 1 and change the color into A 00101. You got red between bright red and dark red. And then just click OK, and now we are done with the stroke. With the stroke, yeah, something like that. And then now check the inner shadow. In the inner shadow tab, change the blending mode to lighten. Yeah, to lighten. And then change the color into C40000, which is yeah, just like the first one, a red between dark and bright red. Just click OK, and then change the distance to 2, and yep, keep the choke at 0 and change the size into 7, and then you're done with the inner shadow. And now check the inner glow tab or icon. Then you can see it's all devolved and it makes our text effects look like more glowy. And now change the blending mode into color burn. Where is the color burn? Change the blending mode to color burn, and then reduce the opacity to 62. Keep the noise at 0, and then change the color into FF 1717. You get a red but more brighter than normal red. Okay, now change the size to 3. 3 is enough, right? Yep, it's all done. Check the satin. The satin is really important at this text effect. Why? Because it's make the text like more sharp, more powerful. So we are getting to the satin. Make the blend mode into lighten. Remember, the blend mode lighten, and then change the color into FF 0000. You got a totally red color, and you will see your text effect is just like this, starting to be cool. And then change the opacity to 23. Change the distance to 6. And then change the size to 3. Then change the contour to this one. What's the name? I don't know. It's just like, you know, one. I don't know, but change it in the left, in the bottom of the left. A half round, yeah, a half round counter. And then feel like this. Nothing or not changed for now. And then check the outer glow. This make the text far more stronger, or have more strong, like strong pressure at the text. So check the outer glow and change the blending mode to the normal. And then opacity still 75. Change the color into FF 3333. Yeah, it's too much. Okay, just 4 of 3. And then change this, make the spread still 0 and make the size to 9. Change the contour to this one, just like, you know, the name is ring double, or yeah, you know, just the name is ring double. And then the outer glow are done. Now check on the drop shadow. Change the blending mode to normal. Opacity still in 75, and the color we change it to is 9100505. You got a red between bright and dark again. Change the distance to 8 and the spread to 12. Spread to 12 and the size to 38. Then you are done with the text. Just look how cool it is. We start like this and finish with this. What a magic. It's so cool. And yeah, if you want to make it like the aura, like like this, it's really easy. Just click on your brush tool and then change the opacity to 18, so it's not really big, and flow to 17. The size of the brush is 164, and then you just have to like drawing in the side of the background to change the color into bright red. Like, just take it from here, you get a bright red, and then just draw it. Okay, you can get a little bit of aura in there, the aura of the like red shiny text, to make to make the background looks more cool. And yeah, you are done with the text. So that is. So I hope you guys can make this one, and I'm sorry if I'm really cringe at making this tutorial, because this is my first voice tutorial for Photoshop. I'm not good at explaining it. So yeah, I hope this one is helping you, especially for beginners that want to make a cool text effect in Photoshop. So yeah, hope you guys all enjoyed, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.